After the 3.7 update, Skoda rolled out version 3.8. I wasn't expecting much, but I still ended up disappointed. After I confirm my driver profile, nothing happens. I actually have to start the car before the update notification appears. 3 hours and 10 minutes announced, with a warning that some functions will be disabled just like with 3.7. I open the more information page. And here is a crucial point. Switch off the parking lights. As long as they are on, the install button stays grayed out. That's the trap. I switch the light off and the button finally becomes available. I get out, lock the car, the update starts, it's 9:30 p.m. The car shut down, the screen goes black, there is nothing left to do but wait. When I come back, I see update completed. But that's not really true. Same hashtag as before. When I check the software version, it still shows 3.7. In reality, the installation isn't finished. I open the notification and I see app update available. You have to turn the ignition on, then manually launch the update. It's slow and it's manual. Once all the apps are finally updated, there is still one last trick. Here it is. You need to get out the car, lock it completely, wait a few seconds and get back in. Only after that full restart, does version 3.8 finally appear in the system, and once 3.8 is installed, visually nothing really changed, but the bugs are still there. I am clearly holding the steering wheel, but Travel Assist keeps telling me to take over. The wheel loves being touched, yet the red steering icons insist I must immediately take control. Happens once or twice a week, and sometimes the red warning sticks around for part of the trip, but that's not all. Another even more frequent bug is that phantom parking sensor that trigger while I am stopped. With nothing around the car, a full 360-degree around, there is literally no obstacle. It's not dangerous, but in daily use, it gets exhausting. The sensor go crazy for no reason, even at a very slow speed. It's almost ironic. This update is supposed to stabilize the system, but it actually feels more nervous. So, in short, 3.8 install like 3.7, change very little and fix less than it adds. But this time there is one big difference. 3.8 is the end of the OTA update cycle for Enyaq models running ME2.X and ME3.X. So yes, 3.8 is the last one, and yet some bugs are still there. This was XpCom connected, real life, real data, and sometimes real frustration.